Now, if you're someone like me, you love a good story. You love a story about rags to riches, coming from nothing. Now, you'll appreciate these series that are out that I'm going to mention right now. Number one coming in is Super Pumped. Watching the rise of Uber take over the world with its technology. That show, Super Pumped, will get you super pumped, and it'll help you see what they're talking about. See how these companies start from nothing and make things that change the world. It's gratifying to me because I love seeing people win. Number two is a show called The Playlist. Watching the rise of Spotify. If you love music, you know where music came from, like Napster and all those sorts of things and how it got pirated. Man, look, Pirate Bay, we all know Pirate Bay. Listen, the rise of Spotify, where they came from, the journey, man, look, it's unlike any other. There's also a show that I love called The King of Stonks. Shows you how these companies that are publicly traded, who come out of nowhere, rise and then fall. It's good insight because as an investor, you want to have keen insight on how these companies go from nothing to something. Maybe you can get some insight to help you make better judgment or a better investment. I love watching these types of shows, and maybe you would too. All you gotta do is spend a little time. So instead of watching Kim Kardashian, watch things that can actually benefit you and give you some encouragement on the way up and while you're watching. Oh, and I almost forgot. This one, I cannot believe I almost forgot this. But this is the GameStop documentary, The Rise of the Players. This is one you have to see because these people were ordinary. They came from nothing. They made a whole lot of money by making an investment, and they went on for the ride. They went along for the ride. And there's people who are doing the same thing in crypto. And I think anybody who has heard of the GameStop, who's in cryptocurrency, who's investing in the future in technology, you should watch this documentary as well. You can learn a lot from it and you will be entertained. Who doesn't love a good story and entertainment? I know I do.